Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be talking about the phenomenal gemstone, Clear Quartz, the Stone of Amplification. For those who've watched my videos before, welcome back. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist. And I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your daily life. And today we're going to start with this brilliant stone, Clear Quartz. And I'm going to be talking to you about 4 primary benefits of using crystal quartz, or clear quartz, it's also called crystal quartz, in your daily life. And it's called the Stone of Amplification. And today I'm really amplifying because I'm wearing clear quartz. I have the pendants and the bracelets. And if you are in need of some clear quartz, then these are available in my Etsy store, and the link is in the description below. Yeah, this is a phenomenal stone. This is one of the very few gemstones that I feel that everyone needs to have. This and the stone I'll be talking about next week, you should just have some because it is really that useful. Now, the first benefit of clear quartz is that it amplifies energies. And I mean all energies. It amplifies the energy of healing. So if you're a Reiki healer, it amplifies and boosts that healing ability. It amplifies the energies of other stones. It also amplifies intentions. So this is a great gemstone if for full moon ceremonies, for new moon ceremonies, for vision boarding, any time that you are setting intentions, it is a great idea to have clear quartz with you to amplify those intentions. Now, the form of clear quartz will help you with your amplification efforts. If you have tumbled like this, it's going to amplify just in a general area around it. So keeping clear quartz next to other tumbled stones will capture everything that's around it. If you have clear quartz that's a point, this helps you direct the energy. So if you're a Reiki healer and you want to direct that energy, you can use a clear quartz point. You can also use clusters. I have one right here. It's on top of a box of stones to help boost those stone energy. But any form of clear quartz that you have is going to have that benefit. It'll be really helpful for you. So also, I use clear quartz with every single gemstone bracelet that I make. I have one bead on every bracelet, no matter what the gemstone type, because it helps amplify the benefits of that particular gemstone. So the second benefit of clear quartz is that it restores imbalances. It's a master healing stone. And this is an even better reason to use it with Reiki healing. And like I said, I use clear quartz with my distance Reiki. I use it with my hands-on Reiki. I always have some nearby because it really boosts the healing ability of that. But in general, it's a fantastic cleanser for your entire energetic system, for your chakras, your meridians. It is for your aura. It's an amazing cleanser. And it just helps to dissolve any blockages that is restricting your energetic flow. Clear quartz really wants you to be in a state of balance and to bring you back to a state of wholeness from illness. So if you're recovering from an illness as well, having clear quartz with you will help you recover, will bring your energy back, help it flow nicely, will heal any holes in your aura. So it's a fantastic stone to help with healing. The third benefit of clear quartz is that it helps to awaken your intuition. And there are a lot of stones that have that property, and we've talked about a lot of them already in this series. But clear quartz is a little bit different in that it awakens our intuition by making everything clearer. It's like reducing the static on a radio channel. It clears the mind and deepens intuition. It helps us hear our spirit guides, our angel guides, our spirit animals. It helps us hear that information from the universe just more clearly. It dissolves any blockages that are inhibiting us from trusting our intuition and believing in our psychic abilities. And it essentially, it clears a pathway for deeper and stronger intuitive information to reach you. And the fourth benefit of clear quartz is that it's phenomenal with past life work. It does this because clear quartz has traditionally been used to record and store data. And this records the data in our everyday lives. But it can also access the information from past lives, so it can help us when we're sorting out past life issues, karmic issues, when we're trying to resolve that. It can help us access that information really easily. But this is not only useful for past data, it's helpful for the future. So you can charge clear quartz with an intention that you need to use in the future. So for instance, if you're going into a situation that's pretty intimidating and you want some courage, you can combine this, say, with a stone of courage, maybe bloodstone, and charge it with your intention and the feeling of courage and confidence that you want to have in that situation, and then carry it with you into that scenario, and it will release that for you. It will help you absorb that future intention. Another fun fact about clear quartz and quartz in general and its ability to store data is that homes and buildings that are built by quarries or by quartz deposits tend to report more hauntings and weird behavior in their homes. And that may or may not be because it's actually haunted, but it does store data. So it could be replaying occurrences from the past over and over and over again. So if you do have a lot of clear quartz in your home and you're starting to notice some, strange occurrences, it could be because it's picking up your normal everyday habits, closing doors, closing cabinets, walking down the hallway, and replaying those. If you're considering it a problem, or if you're already a personal lighthouse of energy and you attract that type of stuff, then you might want to reduce the amount of clear quartz in your home. Like, clear quartz does also attract spirit energy. And like I said, if you already attract it, then it's still a useful gemstone to have. But you should limit it if you tend to attract strange occurrences in your living space. So clear quartz, it's a powerhouse of a crystal. Like I said, I recommend everybody have some. It's phenomenal with with healing. It's phenomenal with crystal healing. It really boosts the intention and the benefits of everything around you. It's just so useful. And I have so much of it in my house for Reiki healing, for gemstone healing, for jewelry making. So I also have Reiki tumbled clear quartz in the Etsy store. And if you're interested in learning what Reiki tumbled gemstones are, I'll link to a video in the eye above where you can learn what Reiki tumbled gemstones are. Well, thank you for joining me today as I talk about clear quartz. Again, just one of my favorite, most used crystals in my collection because it helps every other crystal. So useful. So thanks again for joining me, and I really hope you find this useful. And if you did and you want to work with clear quartz even more, then in 2 days I'll be posting a guided meditation with clear quartz. You don't need to have any quartz with you to benefit from the meditation. You can sit through it the first time and see if anything in that meditation or in the video today really speaks to you, or if it really triggers you. It's a sign that you should get some and you should work with it some more. So if you're new to the channel, I just wanted to let you know that I post about a brand new gemstone every single week. On Thursdays, I post these informational videos about a particular gemstone, and on Saturdays, I post a guided meditation with that gemstone, so you can get a real deep dive into the benefits and the energy of a new gemstone every single week. And if that is interesting to you, then make sure to hit the subscribe button, and you'll see whenever I post a new video. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope to see you at the guided meditation.